Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. You may also need some electrical tape and a heat shrink tube for insulation. Once you have gathered your tools, we can proceed with the repair. First, unplug the Dyson hairdryer from the mains to ensure your safety. Next, locate the screws on the handle of the dryer. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the handle to expose the internal components. Be cautious, as there may be wires connected to the main body. If you notice any frayed or damaged wires, this is likely the cause of your cable issues. Now let's focus on the cable itself. Inspect the length of the cable for any visible damage. If you find any, use the wire cutters to remove the damaged section. Make sure to cut cleanly to avoid any further fraying. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. After cutting the cable, strip the ends of the wires using your wire cutters. You should see copper strands exposed. Twist these strands together to ensure a solid connection. If you're unsure about this step, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice. Next, take your heat shrink tube and slide it over one of the wires before connecting them. This will provide insulation once the connection is made. Now, connect the wires by twisting them together securely. Once connected, slide the heat shrink tube over the joint and use a heat source to shrink it down, ensuring a tight fit. With the cable repaired, it's time to reassemble the handle. Carefully align the two halves of the handle and replace the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is secure, as loose components can lead to further issues. Before you finish, it's a good idea to test the hairdryer. Plug it in and turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any problems, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you can understand the costs involved before proceeding. Finally, clean the internal components of the hairdryer with a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated during the repair process. This will help maintain the performance of your Dyson hairdryer. And there you have it, a complete guide to repairing the cable of your Dyson hairdryer. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We're here to help with no calls, no travel, just a simple collection and delivery at your home. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.